Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So as you know, we are already discussing our chapter number 1 which is networking concepts. So today in this chapter we will learn about different type of networks. So without wasting any time, let's start. So as you can see, there are 4 type of network. First one is LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN. So today we will discuss all the 4 networks in detail, and PAN is the smallest network, so we will discuss it first. So PAN, which is personal area network. So this type of network is used to connect the devices like printer, cell phones, tablets, etc. belonging to an individual. The coverage area of this network is very small and is in the range of 5 to 10 meters only. So Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are some examples of personal area network. WLAN, that is wireless LAN, is an example of PAN. So it means as at our house we use normally wireless mouse and headphones and printers also. So these wireless devices are examples of personal area network. So second network is LAN, which is local area network. When two or more computers are connected within a small range, like a room, office, building or a campus, it is termed as local area network. The maximum range of LAN is 10 kilometers. A LAN can have minimum 2 and maximum 1000 computers. As I said, for any network we required minimum 2 computers. But in LAN 2 computers are minimum, but maximum is 1000 computer. We can connect 1000 computer with each other with the help of local area network. So third one is MAN, which is Metropolitan Area Network. It is larger network as compared to LAN. As you can see in this image, there are many LAN networks which are connected to each other and they are creating a MAN. So we can say that MAN is a combination of many LAN network, or if we add many LAN networks, so this is called a MAN network. It covers a city, also called intra-city. Use wired medium. The size of MAN can range from 10 to 50 kilometers. So as we discussed, in LAN we can use up to 10 kilometer, but in MAN the range is 10 to 50 kilometers. The example of MAN is cable TV network. As at our home we are using cable TV network, so this is an example of MAN, and MAN is generally a wired network or wired medium. So our last network is WAN, which is called wide area network. When two or more computers located at faraway places linked by communication technologies, then it forms a WAN. This type of network covers a very large geographical area across the country or continent. Railway reservation system, ATMs, are the good example of WAN. The largest example of WAN is internet. As I said, internet is our largest example of a network. And we are talking about networks, so we can say that internet is an example of wide area network. Fiber optic cables and microwave are used in WAN for sharing data and resources. So let's discuss about them in detail. So as you can see, LAN, local area network, MAN stands for metropolitan area network, and WAN stands for wide area network, meaning a network that connects a group of computers in a small geographical area called LAN. In MAN, it covers a relatively larger region such as cities and towns. In WAN, it spans large locality and connect countries together. Ownership of network. LAN is a private type network, while MAN and WAN both are private or public type network. Design and maintenance. LAN is a small network, so it is easy to design and maintenance. But MAN and WAN both are at a larger scale, so they are difficult to design and maintain. Propagation delay. LAN is a short type network, so MAN is a medium type network, so it is moderate, and WAN is a larger network, so it is long. So speed. LAN is high in speed as compared to MAN and WAN. MAN is medium in speed and WAN is speed in low compared to LAN and MAN. Fault tolerance. In LAN, more, the chances of fault is more. In MAN and WAN, it is less. Congestion. In LAN, it is less, and in MAN and WAN, it is more as compared to LAN. Use. LAN is basically used in colleges, schools, offices, hospitals, etc. MAN is basically used in small towns and cities, and WAN is basically used in countries and continent. Allows. It allows single pair of devices to communicate. Single pair means we can connect a printer with our computer system or any a single device. So this is called single pair. In MAN, multiple computers can simultaneously interact, and in WAN, a huge group of computers can communicate at the same time. So these are the 4 types of networks. In next video, we will discuss about the network topologies. So that is it for today, students. Thank you so much.